Hello and welcome to our video on aircraft maintenance engineering. In this video, we are going to explore the importance of aircraft maintenance engineering, what it entails, and the kind of career opportunities that exist in this field. What is aircraft maintenance engineering? Aircraft maintenance engineering is the process of inspecting, repairing, and maintaining aircraft to ensure their safe operation. This involves everything from routine inspections to major repairs and overhauls. The ultimate goal of aircraft maintenance engineering is to keep planes in the air and ensure the safety of passengers and crew. Why is aircraft maintenance engineering important? Imagine if an aircraft took off without proper maintenance. It could experience mechanical failure in flight, leading to a potentially catastrophic outcome. That's why aircraft maintenance engineering is critical to ensuring the safety of everyone on board. Types of aircraft maintenance engineering. There are two types of aircraft maintenance engineering: line maintenance and base maintenance. Line maintenance refers to the daily checks and repairs that are done on an aircraft between flights. Base maintenance, on the other hand, involves more extensive work, such as engine overhauls and major repairs. The categories of maintenance engineers. There are several types of aircraft maintenance engineer licenses, which are classified based on the categories of maintenance work they cover. Let's take a look at each type in more detail. Category A license. A Category A license is the entry-level license for aircraft maintenance engineers. It authorizes individuals to carry out basic maintenance tasks, such as replacing components, conducting visual inspections, and performing simple tests. To obtain a Category A license, you'll need to complete an approved training program and pass a series of exams. Category B license. A Category B license is divided into two subcategories, B1 and B2. A B1 license authorizes individuals to perform maintenance work on aircraft structures, power plants, and mechanical and electrical systems. A B2 license authorizes individuals to perform maintenance work on avionics and electrical systems. To obtain a Category B license, you'll need to complete an approved training program, pass a series of exams, and gain practical experience working on aircraft. Category C license. A Category C license authorizes individuals to carry out major repairs and overhauls on aircraft. This includes tasks such as engine overhauls, airframe repairs, and major avionics upgrades. To obtain a Category C license, you'll need to have significant experience in aircraft maintenance, complete an approved training program, and pass a series of exams. Training and skills required. To become an aircraft maintenance engineer, you'll need to complete an approved training program and pass a series of exams. You'll also need to gain experience working with different types of aircraft. In addition to technical skills, aircraft maintenance engineers also need to have excellent attention to detail, good communication skills, and the ability to work well under pressure. Career opportunities in aircraft maintenance engineering. Aircraft maintenance engineering is a growing field, with many opportunities for skilled engineers. You could work for an airline, a maintenance company, or even for the military. As an aircraft maintenance engineer, you'll be responsible for inspecting, repairing, and maintaining aircraft, ensuring that they're safe and ready to fly. In conclusion, aircraft maintenance engineering is a critical process that ensures the safety of passengers and crew. It's a growing field with many opportunities for skilled engineers. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of what aircraft maintenance engineering entails and the kind of career opportunities that exist in this field. Thank you for watching.